Ever wonder how your phone gets your mood? Emotion recognition AI is getting smarter, thanks to a breakthrough called ECMF, or Enhanced Cross-Modal Fusion. Emotions are complex. They mix facial cues, tone, words, and body language. But AI struggles to connect these modalities without confusion. Plus, training data is often incomplete or noisy. ECMF solves this with a dual-branch system. One branch analyzes microexpressions, like a fleeting frown. The other reads overall context. For text, it uses large language models to decode tone and cultural nuance. The real wind. Self-attention mechanisms, AI priority cues that highlight key emotional clues. Think trembling voice or widened eyes. Plus, residual connections preserve raw data, avoiding loss in translation. To fix messy labels, ECMF uses a majority vote system, letting models cross-check each other. The result? 87.49% accuracy, over 8% better than prior methods. This isn't just tech, it's empathy. Imagine virtual assistants adapting to your mood or mental health tools, spotting subtle distress. The future isn't just smart, it's sensitive. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into AI's next big leap.